What is a miracle? Today I let Christ's vision look upon all things for me and judge them not, but give each one a miracle of love instead. It seems pretty simple until you really try to do it, which I'm sure you're probably contesting to already, as you might try to be applying love and giving the miracle of love and acceptance and trying to see what it is that Christ is, and yet it just seems to always have this like little battle with insisting upon itself to be something aggressive or something upsetting or something problematic. And it's really disorienting when you realize that you have to forget what it is you're forgiving in order to actually forgive it and to see past it or to love it. As that miracle goes to that clean slate of the spiritual universe, and then you come back with all the beliefs and reality of physicality, you have to not have any definitions in your mind, including who you're looking on or what you're seeing. It's a complete elimination of everything, just a fade out, even just for a moment, of all sensory perceptions. And so everything disappears and nothing actually exists. And then you come right back to what seems like the same place, but you usually don't remember what you were healing if you do. If you're looking for it, like, okay, did I heal this or that? How do you feel about that now? You're just asking for it again. The thinking is the manifestation of it. So you have to let go and eliminate it, the thinking of it, in order to really experience that, to be free of that. So it goes again. You have to make sure you go again with it, that when you're doing it, when you're allowing it to happen, you're letting go of the total essence of why you're trying to, say, perform a miracle. Why are you, and what are you trying to heal? On the return, the question can't be answered. Not if you actually want it healed. And not just fake, not artificial. You can't just be like, oh yeah, I don't remember, because it's healed, right? No, you have to be real. It is real. It knows that, oh, maybe just now you're manifesting fake. Is that what you want? More fake? Huh? I don't. So it has to be real. So you'll be practicing and learning how to let go of all the universe and let go of all definitions, let go of all shapes. Sometimes, especially if you're trying to perform a miracle for someone, which is not the easiest, you have to, sometimes it's easier to not know what it is they want to heal, and instead just heal it by seeing that innocence, seeing that purity, by going through that clean slate experience, letting it all disappear. Even while that disappearance is just an instant, that is all that's needed. As really every single moment we have here is just an instant, over and over, regurgitating the same beliefs, the same ideas. processing it through a sense of, oh, time is a little bit of a change, 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 to that same one instant. So take it to that disappearance, clean slate, not knowing what it is, not knowing what anything is. All sensory perceptions disappear. There is no existence. There's no consciousness. There's nothing. And you'll see that you might not necessarily see a transparent, illuminated reality there yet, but you have that clean slate to come back and recognize love there. So to answer the question, what did I heal? What do I see? Love. Just say love.